So this is it, my recipe for today. This is white beans and kidney beans with leftover chicken and leftover luncheon meat with spinach and jalapeno chili and shrimp. This is it. See you on premiere. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. I will have to cook kidney beans. This. This is kidney beans, and then I have to mix the white. Hello everyone. I have to cook white beans and kidney beans. This is it. That's it. I will add leftover grilled chicken I put before and frozen. And I add more luncheon meat. This is all leftover. And add shrimp. This is all the ingredients. So I have to start to chop the onion. I add fresh spinach. And add this chili, jalapeno, I think, jalapeno or chili. Okay, we have to say chili, but not too spicy. They called jalapeno. I don't know the exact words, okay? I have to chop this. So, like this. So, enough that. And then the onion. We add tomato. I add this cherry tomato. I cut only in the middle. Sorry, because too noisy outside. There is a, what is this? Construction outside. Work construction. Okay, I have to use olive oil. Fried first the shrimp. Then set aside. Put the garlic. I use same wok. The onion. Put all the leftover luncheon meat leftover. Tomato garing. sauce to taste. Black pepper. Jalapeno berry. Then give it a mix. Give a white beans. Give a mix. Give it a mix. Give it a mix. And then the kidney beans. Give it a mix. Oh, looks delicious. A bit of water to cook. Okay, let's give a try to have a look. Okay. Let's keep and wait. Cover the lid to cook. So now, this is the moment to taste first before we put the shrimp, because the shrimp is cooked already. Spinach get in. Yes. I love spinach, that's why I have to put lots of spinach. So that's it. Give it a mix. Ooh. Or otherwise, I put the lid. Yes. And now, this is it. Look at that. It's cooked already. Switch off the heating, and then it's done. The last but not the least, the shrimp. So that's it. And then let's give a try. Let's give it a try. How it tastes. How it tastes. Oh my God, there is a... Let me taste. Is it okay? OMG, so delicious. But I don't put the seasoning. Only this all of mix that I mixed chicken, leftover chicken, and what is that? The other one, luncheon meat and shrimp. So okay, let me taste. Let me try to plating because my battery is gone. You have to mix it. That's it. Look at that. That's it. Now this is my white beans and kidney beans with spinach and jalapenos, chili, with leftover chicken and leftover luncheon meat and shrimp, not leftover the shrimp. So this is it. If you love to subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for my notification and leave a comment below. See you on premiere. Okay, this is my top view. See? Looks so delicious now. Not looks so delicious. It's so delicious. Try it. Try to cook and then you will find the taste.